we are gonna do another question, which is if the sum if the sum of two unit vectors of two unit vectors is is a unit vector is a unit vector, find the magnitude of the difference. So find the magnitude of their difference. So I think this question is pretty simple, and we also have options in this case, which is going to be 2, square root of 3, square root of 2, or 0. So that are the options. So let's see how to do this question. So we know, so let's just let some vectors speak. So let's say there is a vector A, so let's make it capital A. Let's make the magnitude of capital A as 1. Let's make the magnitude of capital B as 1, since they are unit vectors, and the sum of the unit vectors, which is going to be the magnitude of vector A plus vector B, it's also 1. So the question is to find the magnitude of their difference. So it's going to be vector A minus vector B, so the magnitude of vector A minus vector B. So let's use the formula. The formula is R equals, so R is going to be this, square root of A square, so 1 square, plus B square, or this square, plus 2AB, so plus 2AB cos theta, and theta will be the angle that we need to find. And you need to do some simplification, so let's just do a quick simplification. So it's going to be 1 equals, so I'm squaring both sides, so 1 squared is going to be 1, so I'm not going to write that. Okay, let's write it, just to make it crystal clear what I did. So 1 square, so 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta, which means we have 1 equal 2 plus 2 cos theta, which means cos theta is going to be minus 1/2, right? And this is cos 120 degrees, which means the angle between vector E and vector B is going to be 120 degrees. So now we need to find the magnitude of their difference. So the magnitude of their difference, which is going to be vector A minus vector B, or you can do vector B minus vector A, it's going to be the same, since we're taking just the magnitude. We are not thinking about the direction, we're just thinking about the magnitude. The magnitude is going to be the same no matter what you do. So it's going to be square root A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos theta, and theta in this case is going to be 120 degrees, right? So now let's just do the math. I'm gonna use a calculator since it's gonna be much more faster than me doing this mentally, and I think I should be able to do this mentally, but I'm not gonna trust myself on that. And the answer turns out to be square root of 3, so this is actually square root of 3. So I think there was a square root of 3 in the answers, which means this is the answer. This question was pretty easy once you know what to or how to do it. So this is gonna be it for today's video. In the next video, we're gonna do another question. So till then, bye bye.